Hey guys, if you got a leaky washer and you've done a lot of work trying to figure out what it is, I'm going to tell you what I think it's probably more commonly going to be than other things, okay? All these tutorials online, they'll tell you that it might be the motor leaking or the drain hose, which is this guy right here, okay? And they'll go over a bunch of different things. But I will tell you, if you've got a hose like this, all right, this is thin, it's 3/4 inch, okay? It's about the thickness of your thumb if you don't want to get your tape measure out. This thing attaches over here to your water inlet valve, and then it goes over here to what's called your tub fill, okay? Your tub fill sits on the top of the tub right here. It's this piece right here, and it's got this hole right here that receives the water inlet tube or water inlet hose, okay? And I'm going to tell you why I made this video. I did a lot of work trying to find an answer to this, didn't find an answer online that actually pointed out the problem. This hose right here is super flimsy and weak, and the replacement is very sturdy rubber. So if you have one that looks like this, 3/4 inch for the water inlet, the way that I finally identified it, because I couldn't see a hole on this damn thing, okay? I looked everywhere on this thing, I couldn't see a hole. Finally, what I ended up doing is I put my mouth on it and blew, and there's back pressure in there because of water, so it won't go all the way into the wall. But I blew on it, and lo and behold, there's a tiny little hole where all the air was coming out, which meant that when it was filling, all the water was coming through there and going onto my floor. So I just thought I'd be helpful to you. By the way, this is going to be for Whirlpool and Kenmore for sure. I have a Kenmore 110, but this is going to be the same for 111s because when I got this part number, or when I ordered this part, it was compatible with the Kenmore 110 and the Kenmore 111s and a bunch of Whirlpools. So this piece of crap water inlet fill tube or water inlet fill hose was replaced by something much sturdier. Just wanted to be a little helpful to the community. I hope this helps you guys. Have a good day.